Hey everybody, I am back and today we are going to be playing with Fidget Cubes. Say what? Let me get the box. Oh, so yeah, this right here, I look at the box, this right here is click. Spin is this right here. And roll is this right here, and glide is this.
I don't get it.
There. Me neither. Me neither. Flip is, I think, this one right here. And last but not least is breathe, which is right there. This black part right here, it's breathe. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's a little circle. That's what the thing says. So yeah, let's use this part right here first. Spin. Oh no, this is spin. Right here.
What if you just spin the fidget spinner on the fidget cube, and then both of them would just fly?
Yeah, I know. That'd be cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, so guys, you literally just spin this part right here. Or just spin it like that. See what you do. It's nothing like a fidget spinner at all. Next, we're going to do spin, which is, oh no, we already did spin. First up, then we're going to do click. Literally, you just click it. Click it. Click it. Click it. Click it. And then we're going to do roll. I just want to roll with the dabber wrench. So you literally just flip these switches. Yeah, so all of these just literally just move on the same time, and then this just right here just rolls as much as it wants to. As much as it wants to. It's a gigantic circle. Alright, so then now we're going to do glide, which is literally right here. I do not know how to use this at all. I don't know how it glides or anything. Doesn't glide. Nope, it does not glide. Well, it kind of glides. It glides on the floor. Look, guys. Oh yeah, I guess you can see that. It literally just barely glides, bro. Like it's like that. What?
This is a fidget ball. This is a fidget ball. I'm just kidding.
There's no such thing.
I just wanted to
If it does come out, I'm literally going to be so mad, and I'm gonna have to make a video of it.
Guys.
Next up is breathe.
This is a glowing ball.
I think you literally just have to breathe. You guys see the circle? The circle and the black thing?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right. Yeah. That's what breathe is. You have to, like, really smell it or something. I don't know. I don't get it at all. You want to try?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. It's so
What do you
weird.
do with it?
You literally just do what you can do. You can either click it, you can spin it, you can roll it, you can glide it, you can flip it, and you can breathe it.
It feels like a magnet.
It's like the weirdest thing ever created. It's like the weirdest fidget ever created. Compare that.
Doesn't that look fast?
That is so off topic. Yeah. Remember that's a fidget spinner. That's so weird. Thank you guys for watching this video.
Cool.
This is my favorite intro.
Looks
Please
really
subscribe
cool.
and thanks for watching. Bye. By the way,
You are the best,
you
guys. Leave a like. Make sure to comment down below. And subscribe.
Guys, comment down below.
Make sure to put notifications on.
Comment down below if you like fidget cubes more than fidget spinners. Comment down below if you like fidget spinners more than fidget cubes. Alright guys, bye.